Hey, we back in it. There we go. All right, let's get started with this. I actually made a lot of progress with the custom inventory system that I was working on. So hopefully we're at a point soon where we can actually get it to function, which would be super dope. The biggest issue was the actual front end. The back end is pretty easy, actually. It's the front end with all the like dragging and dropping and all that stuff that's kind of hard to deal with. So let's see. I think, yeah, when I last left off, I was setting up the front end. I think off stream I started working on the dragging. So let's just see where we're at. There we go. That's nice. And I believe, oh, okay, so what I need now, well, first I need to press play and see if these numbers should hopefully disappear. That's the first thing. Hey, Helen. Okay, turns out the entire thing disappeared. What the hell is that about? Oh, it's just disabled. That's right. So I believe I can just like open. Oh, is that what it was? Item container. Just call this inventory. All right. I think. Isn't there like a starts open? Yeah, there we go. What am I using? This is the correct one, right? Yeah, it is. Okay. So if I press play here, okay, so it starts open. That's good. But what is the issue here? I think I need to take this out of the else statement. So if the content is null, content equals instantiate the content prefab. Oh, that's what it was. The content prefab is null. That's what it is. So this is actually, this was fine how it was. Yeah. And I believe, okay, what is it called? Content. Item slot content. There we go. It's the prefab. Oh, except I was in play mode, so I gotta do that again. Assets. There we go. What is this layout thing? Grid layout? I have no idea what that is. Is it used anywhere? No. Okay. Let me just get rid of that. go. Clone plays checked. Still an issue. What's the issue? Get component in children image from content. That should work, right? What? So it should set the UI to null. Oh, and right, and then return here, and then that should be fine. So I can do... Wait, hold on. I can do if transform.child count is greater than 0. And then I can just do destroy transform get child 0. Instead of doing that set UI thing. So the first thing to do on awake is just to delete the content of everything if it's there. And then later I'll have it added back in by the item populator or whatever. So, oh, gotta call it on the game object. There we go. What is this? Whoa, what is this? Oh, no, that's fine. It's just the entire screen big. Oh, I need to change this in the prefab. Go to item slot, and I need to change this to alpha 1. There we go. And now I gotta reset this. Boop. When I press play, all the numbers should disappear. Hey, there we go. That's awesome. And so now I can go through with, so I have the item container, which is great. And now I need the item container populator. I believe the second one is mine. Is that right? Yes, it is. Cool. And then on start, just populate. And for each item, okay, so I can do item container equals get component item container. I can guarantee that's there because it requires type of item container. For each item in the item list, container.add item. Oh, item.item. Okay, so I need a new name for this. This will be stacked items. And then this will be stacked item. Cool. Cool. That should work. This happens on start, which happens after awake. So that should work. Stacked items. Element 1. Element 2. Okay, so let's add a guam leaf. Quantity 1. And then let's add a cadantine of quantity like 6. Sure, why not? And let's see if that actually populates. If that does, that would be fucking sick if it just worked, but it's probably not going to work. Okay, so some null ref, there's something I'm missing. What is it that I'm missing? It's an add item. I was not looking forward to this. Maybe I get rid of that tag and everything will work. And if I change it to 16, it should work. 32. Still the null ref. Okay, let's figure out what it thinks is null. So let me add a breakpoint here, attached to Unity, and hopefully it will tell me enable debugging for this session. I could probably do that for all projects. Okay, press play. What? Oh, there we go. I needed to compile the scripts first. What the hell is going on? Oh, there it is. Okay, here we go. So what is null here? What is item slots? Item slots is null. That's what's null. Why is it null? Okay. So if I got, okay, so if I can just add a little check here. Let me get out of the debug, close out of Unity, and then I can just do a quick check here. If item slots equals null, then item slots equals new list item slots. This is so weird. Why? When I reset the container, it should automatically set item slots here. Whatever. Guess it doesn't work edit mode to play mode. Item slots equals new item slots for each transform child. Why? What? Child in transform. Little shorthand way of iterating through all children of a transform. Item slots dot add child dot get component item slot. Okay. So now, let's see if this works. Huh? The variable content prefab has not been assigned? Didn't I just do that? I swear to God, I just did that. Or did I not do it in the prefab? Item slot. Okay, so if I go to resources, prefabs, item slots. Oh, I didn't do it in the prefab. That's why. There you go. So that should work, and then I just got to reset these. Oh, except I might have to do it again. Yeah, there we go. Now, hopefully, content should not be null. It is not null. Great. Okay. So no compiler errors. That's great. Now, of course, the next step in the no compiler error is actually getting it to do the thing. So real quick, I actually want to change the grid layout group to be instead of upper left, middle center. There we go. So I can do fixed. Actually, no, it's just flexible, probably. Yeah, it's probably the best. And then I can do top padding of like 8 as well. That looks nice. Okay. Okay, that looks really nice. All right, let's see. So now we got to figure out why it's just not working. So it's probably the add item button just doesn't work. So let's, okay, reattach this and set up a breakpoint. So now the breakpoint should be at the start of the add item function. I hate these loading bars so much. Okay, can I press play now? Am I allowed? Nope, not allowed. I always forget to put the music on. Here we go. Bro, what the hell is this? Oh, it did get here. Okay. So let's figure out the logic it goes through. So what it's supposed to be is it just keeps iterating through the slots until it finds an empty one, and then it places it there. So, all right, let's see if it does that. So I think F10, right? Function F10, maybe? Okay, so it just doesn't work. Great. So I have to do it like this. So if quantity is less than or equal to 0, what does it think quantity is? Quantity is 1, which is correct. That's what I put in for the first one. So it should not return here, and it does not. So item slot equals, so after this, slot should no longer be null. It is, okay, it successfully goes into item slot 0 here. I can't show it, but okay, so it successfully gets into item slot 0. Great. Then it calculates the quantity to add, which should be 1, which it is. Great. And then it sets the item UI. So it gives it the item so that it can get the icon, and then the quantity to add, which is 1. So it gets there, and then what is quantity at right now? So quantity minus equals quantity to add, so quantity should now be 0. It is. It should skip over the else statement. It's done. And then if quantity is less than or equal to 0, return 0. It's done. Perfect. That executed flawlessly. So why is it not showing up? And I think it might actually be an issue with the set item UI is what I think it boils down to now. And then just to clarify, I can continue until the next breakpoint, and it'll do this again, except quantity this time is 6, and item is cadantine, which is what I said it. So quantity is not less than or equal to 0, so it keeps going. Item slot, it checks item slot 0. Okay, so it's not null. So, and now it's gonna check to see if the name is the same. It is not, so it moves on to the next item slot. So now it should move on. Quantity is not 0. Item slot is item slot 1. And the item slot is null because the second slot was null. So now quantity to add should be 6, which it is. Great. And then it sets a slot UI. The quantity is now 0. It should get to the end here. Check that the quantity is less than or equal to 0 and return. Okay, so that worked perfectly. It's just not showing up. Okay, so I've isolated the issue to the set item UI is not actually setting the UI. Why would that be? All right, set another breakpoint. Here we go. So I'm going to run this again. Oh, I don't need this breakpoint anymore. Continue. Set item UI. Here we go. So, okay, let's go through. So first, let's check what these are. So item is the Guam leaf, which is correct. What is the icon? The icon is a sprite. It is there. Okay. And that's pretty much the main thing I'm looking for. And then quantity is 1. So next, if item is null, which it is not, it moves on. Otherwise, if the content is null, which I believe it actually is, then it instantiates the content prefab. There you go. Perfect. Great. So that worked well. Now, okay, my theory is that these might be null. So these are null right now, which makes sense because we haven't set them yet. But now it should be, oh, it actually does get it. It actually pulls the icon, which is great. And then it pulls the stack text. So those both get set correctly. And then this dot item equals the item. So let me actually check the icon image. The sprite is null, which is correct. It should be null at this stage. So now quantity gets set, the item gets set. Okay, whatever. Now the icon image dot sprite should now be the icon. And it is. Wait, so what? Is it just like invisible or something? Everything works. and then set text. And I can actually hold on, let me continue with that. Should be good to go. Bro, what the hell? Oh, okay, well there's the issue. So the content isn't, okay, so the one thing I'm missing is content needs to be set here as a child of the item slot. Okay, so that's the issue. I'm pretty sure I didn't need a debugger to figure that out, but whatever. So now here I need to do content.name equals content. And then, because that was bugging me, having the clone in there. And then I think just having a parent, yeah. Okay, transform. And so the issue is that UI elements that are not in a UI canvas don't get rendered. They just get ignored. So I'm pretty sure this will just work now. Spoke too soon. What's going on now? Let's see. Does it get set up? It does. It's not getting rendered, though. Why is it not getting rendered? It's a canvas group. Is that alpha 0 or something? Nope. So, okay, let me check the content now. Bro, why doesn't this work? Also, why is this not a graphic target? In order to use a color transition. What? I'm so confused. Oh, what is this? Oh, I think I know what that is, actually. It's actually, yeah. Okay, but that's neither here nor there. That's something I'm gonna need to add, though. So now, hopefully... What? Why isn't it showing up? It's just invisible. Oh, wait. Why is it not enabled by default? What? Same thing here. Wait, so it does work. Why is it just... What? Is it, like, not enabled in the, item slot content? No, it is. What the what? It's so weird. I have no idea. But one thing I do know is that this button in the okay, I gotta do this now. So in the content.get component button dot target graphic equals item slot dot get component image. Yeah. Okay, so that should fix that weird issue. But what I don't understand, why is it, like, do I just need to, like, icon image dot set active enabled equals true? And then do it here, stack text dot enabled equals true? Like, do I need to do that? Really? I don't know what all... Okay, what? Okay, so that works. What? Can I drag yet? No, I can't drag yet. So it's a little funky with the dragging. I didn't expect that to work first try anyway. But now I can successfully populate the items. Okay, so now I want to check an edge case here. What if I added... So the max stack size for a Guam leaf is 64. So what if I tried to add, like, just 1,000 Guam leaf? What will it do? It should spread it across several, because that's what I intended to have it. Oh, it does! It works! Oh, that is actually so awesome. That is really awesome. And now, another edge case. What happens when I add a Cadantine again? Like, just 10. Sure, why not? So, instead of creating 2 Cadantines, it should actually just be 1 stack of 16, if I programmed it correctly. Oh, let's go. That actually feels amazing to just get that right first try. Okay, so now I just gotta figure out the dragging. So first thing, let me click on one of these real quick. The button, why is it disabled? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's just not enabled, and I have no idea why. That's so silly. Oh, and then I think maybe it auto disables when it doesn't have a target graphic. So that should fix that. Yeah, the only issue is now it doesn't. The clicking and dragging doesn't work, but that's fine. That's a lot of great progress already today. Okay, yeah. So this just works now. Well, except for the actual functionality, but the. Okay. Okay, so now I gotta see if these are actually getting called, because if they're not, that's another issue entirely. Item slot content. Where is that? There it is. Okay, so on drag start, is this even getting called? And then it should be in drag. Oh shoot. Whatever. I don't need to specify the name. It's not really important right now. Okay, so, and then end drag. So maybe I'm just using the wrong event triggers or something? I don't know. Oh, and then let me also add one here for dragging, and then I just have to make sure that the console is actually collapsed, which it is. All right. So that's the issue. It's not even getting called. But at least the stacking works. That is great. But that's working. So if I do, how do I resolve this? What I really want to do is just figure out which of these actually works. So if I go to the item slot content, what is initialize potential drag? You know, instead of just testing all this, let me look through the API for event trigger. That's a little, I don't need that. Okay, called by the event system when a cancel event occurs. Don't know what that is. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Drag. Called by the event every time the pointer is moved during dragging. So maybe... Can I just derive from event trigger? Oh, I would need to, using Unity engine.events, or maybe event systems. Yeah, I think it's event systems, actually. So, and then event trigger. Yeah. Go. No, I shouldn't even need this anymore. It should just all be in here. Object editing not supported? What are you talking about? Oh, hold up. If I do multi. What is it? What am I thinking of here? Hold on. Unity allow multiple edit. Can edit multiple objects. Is that not just the tag? Yeah, it's just an attribute. Oh, it needs to be in the editor though. Whatever, don't care. Don't care enough. Oh. Well, yeah, so this is the same thing. Except instead of all of that, I can just do what Unity does. Yeah. And I wonder if this just works. If okay, so I'm just gonna comment these out, actually. I'm just gonna comment all of this out, because it was kind of iffy anyway. And let's see if that just works. So now, hopefully I should be able to get rid of this. It's redundant. Item slot content. Woo! Oh, that's... It's... Okay, there we go. Alright, I've heard enough of this slide song. I honestly, I'm considering removing that one from the playlist. It's so annoying. Alright, let's see if that works. Oh, did I not? I added it to the prefab, right? I did. Oh, you know what? I think I might not. Yeah, I might actually need to have these here anyway, even if they don't have anything in them. Okay. Well, let's see if that works. Just as is. Doesn't appear so. So why doesn't this work? There's an event system in here somewhere. Yeah, there is. Okay. Oh gosh. Hey, what's up, Coalfox? Oh, goodbye, Coalfox. Have fun with dinner. Yeah, see you later. Thanks for stopping by. So, yeah, why? Oh, maybe I gotta reset these. Forgot to do that. Nope, doesn't change anything. Why is that? All right, so let me go back to this prefab. So if I add anything to this, if I just enter. Okay, so what if I just add, for now, I just want to see if it works like at all. So I have access to the print method. So I can't add a parameter to this. Whatever. I'll just say. Does any of these work? No, it doesn't even do that. Why doesn't... Hold on. So... Unity event trigger doesn't work with UI elements. Is this a... Event trigger doesn't work. It won't fire. What? Let's see. Make sure they have raycast target unchecked. Could it be that simple? Oh! Wait. Raycast target? Is that... Is there a raycast target thing here too? Debug settings? No, that's not. It wouldn't be in there. Extra settings. Raycast target? Aha! Uncheck that. There we go. Maybe that's the fix. Oh, except I need to log this. Reset these. Wait, what? Oh, wait. It could be that this straight up just doesn't have a collider. So it could definitely be that this just needs like some sort of image. No sprite, that's fine. And then bring the alpha all the way down. Could be. Never really thought about that. Okay. Nope, still can't click on things. Why is that? Alright, what happens if I set it on alpha 100? Nada. So, okay, I gotta get rid of that target graphic line. Where did I do that? In item slot? Yeah. So let's try saying target graphic is actually this. Which I think makes more sense anyway. But still, nothing. Item slot. Oh, a little too eerie here. Oh my god, I hate the Unity UI system. So what I had worked. So if I just no, it doesn't allow that. So if I add it as a raycast target, extra settings, raycast target, does that like fix it? Or I guess I gotta do that here instead. Yeah. No, that doesn't even fix it. Whoa. What the? So, okay. Let me go back to what I had, because that was the most stable looking thing. And I believe that's all the changes to get it back. Do I need to reset them? Oh. Wait, hold up then. So if I go back to, let's just one thing at a time, whatever, text doesn't matter. So the raycast, so the icon turn off raycast target, does that, and then I reset here. Does that break everything? It doesn't. Okay. Because I don't want them to be raycast targets anyway. So that is correct. But just still the dragging just doesn't work, and I have no idea why. Okay, so this event works. So now I want to see if there's any other, let me check the API again. So this is the, okay, editor API, I don't care. So search scripting, I need button. And this should be an editor UI, okay. Events, there's only one event. Why is this the only event? It doesn't make any sense. Unity on drag events for UI. Okay, so this is in the manual. Okay. Need to make sure that the that drop area visual elements and draggable visual elements register callback for specific events. A visual element that is a drop area needs to register callbacks for the following 5 event types. Drag enter event. Wait, what is drag and drop? Wait, this is in Unity Editor. That doesn't help me at all. Supporting drag and drop. Is there like code here that they use? Making visual elements. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. Okay. So where do I find these events? Hold on. So if I go back to item slot content. So this is all garbage. This straight up just doesn't work. This is all, I hate this. I hate the Unity UI system. It's so clunky. Okay, public override. There's no... Is there an API reference here? Manual. Hold on. UI. Is that in... No. Creating user interfaces. Yes. So what the hell is this stuff? iDrag handler, that's the interface. Hold up. Event systems, yeah, that's what it is. So what I need is, it's just mono behavior, as well as implements iDrag handle. And implement interface. Oh! Hold on. The list of interfaces are on this page. What the? Why is this so hard? Okay, so a drag enter event, a drag leave event, a drag updated event, okay. Drag perform event. Okay. What is this? What was the issue there? Huh? Hold on. What? It has to be done explicitly? Are you kidding me? Wait, why just for that one? That doesn't make any sense. What? Does this work? Wait, there's no way that just adding an interface works. It's like not a thing, right? There's nothing that sets up the callback. Yeah, there's nothing that's that I didn't expect that to work. That's weird. So it's from UI elements. It's just a drag enter event. Hold up. So get rid of all that shit. Oh. Okay. Does this do anything? No, those aren't serializable. Okay. Oh, this is wacky. Super wacky. Can I just like delegate this right here? Is that a thing? Oh. No, I need this to be an actual event. And this needs... What do I need to do?
In this video, we're going to fix our issue. It's actually extremely simple. All we need to do is increase by the delta divided by the canvas scale factor. That is the field which contains how much. So in here, just pass in the drag window. Now drag the reference to the parent drag transform and also the canvas, and the same thing on this one. So here we are. Now this one can be dragged, this one can be dragged, and this one can be dragged. Right, great. So just like this, we already have our drag behavior working correctly. Now in here, just in case we want to have, in here I have a background image and also have a script very easy to...
Bro, how does he do it? How does mine work? Oh god, do I have an account for this guy? Oh, I do, I think. Wow, this is actually such an awful site. Oh no, it's a Unity package. It's fine. Oh god, why there's so many files for such a simple thing? Is it in? the heck is this? Scripts? These aren't scripts. What the hell? Wait, what is this? I don't need any of this. Why is the name? Wait, was this here the whole time? Okay, well it works. Okay, so what do they do? Each one of these windows. Drag window. So it does have these interfaces. I drag an eye pointer down handler. Okay. So what if I do that as well? Okay. Didn't I? Oh, I swear to God, I just tried this though. Hey, Helen. I'm actually gonna head off early at 3:30, and I think I'm gonna just come over. Dude, I'm so hungry. Oh, do you want to pop in the Discord by any chance?
Hello?
Hello.
I gotta mute the Twitch now.
Oh, okay, no worries. How's it going?
I'm so hungry.
You're hungry too?
Oh my gosh, I sound so cute on Twitch, but I don't sound cute in real life.
What are you talking about?
Anyways,
That's literally false, by the way.
you're lying to me.
No, I'm not.
I will tell you I had some tea. I hope that's not breaking our agreement.
What tea?
Like green tea?
Oh, yeah, that's fine. I thought you meant like...
Boba?
No, I thought you meant like gossip.
No. I had some tea because my stomach was like, I don't know, hurting, but I didn't want to eat before KPPQ. So I've been distracting myself with multiple things. Math, Blanc. What else? Scrolling Reddit. I've actually been exercising.
Yeah?
Yes.
That's great.
Guess why?
Why? Because we're fat?
Yeah, but also you can just eat more things if you burn more calories.
Wait, that's actually so true.
So I've walked 2 miles in my basement.
Nice.
Yeah.
So let me see if this works. Probably not. Nope. Oh my god. Dude, programming can be so annoying sometimes.
Annoying all the time.
You know what? So true. Bestie.
Yeah. Are you gonna be driving your mom's SUV?
If I'm spending the night, then no.
Okay.
I mean, my car's fine for the most part. It just
I can drive.
it needs an oil change, and the chassis cover is like coming out of the bottom a little bit.
I can use my car to drive us. So here's another question I have for you.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah. Do you want to go to Ranch 99 before or after?
We could go before. More walking.
Yeah.
Babe, touch your toes check.
Why?
I'm just telling you, it's a touch your toes check. You don't actually have to do it if you don't want.
Oh.
Oh no, image.
Oh. Colfax came in.
Yeah, you did for a bit. There's also like a bunch of random channels or random users in here. I don't even know what they're like for.
There's a peculiar ASMR person.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Probably a bot, to be honest. That sounds like a bot name.
No. Well, one of these people in the chat has had their account created since 2019. Some of them were for 2020 though. There's somebody in the chat that's called Academy Impossible,
Yeah.
and it's
I have no
just
idea
a
what
live feed of like free range animals. And like above the animal's name, oh, just kidding. Yeah.
I'm just trying to get a thing to drag, and it's just not cooperating at all.
You can drag me.
No, it's not working.
Oh.
Wait, why is this getting added here? This doesn't make any. Oh, I know why. Actually, or what is this? Which way you choose thing? Is this
something like reading-
Is this something I can show on stream?
Yeah, I think so. Do they allow pictures of gun?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. It's just like, which sin would you pick?
Interesting. Every day at midnight, this wallet will refill itself to exactly $1,000 in $100 bills. If you cross into another country, it'll automatically change, following the exchange rate. The cash can be deposited. Placing a credit card in the wallet will wipe it free of debt. So that's basically you don't work and you get $1,000 a day.
Yeah, I think I would actually pick that one. If you read the rest of them, I don't think they're that good.
Pressing the hidden button on this watch will freeze time for... Okay, watch a slot. Pressing the hidden button on this watch will freeze time for a period of time up to an hour, allowing you to play now and save work for later, amongst probably other things you could do with that ability. And you can do that. You can pause time every 2 hours for up to 1 hour. So you get an extra hour of sleep. An extra 2 even. Okay, Spectacles of Envy. While wearing these glasses, you'll be able to see a person's deepest, darkest secrets written above their head. Why would I want that?
Yeah, just let them.
For long use, the glasses will turn your eyes a bright shade of green, but you will eventually be able to see additional private information about it. What is it? This sounds like something you'd see in some fan fiction or something. Okay, that one's dumb. Okay, Ring of Pride. Wearing this ring greatly enhances your cognitive abilities, allowing you to access dormant memories and information with extreme clarity. You will retain all knowledge, allowing you to instantly learn languages and skills. Okay. Your creativity will improve exponentially and your confidence and drive will be... Okay. Interesting. Flask of Gluttony. This flask will always be filled with the liquor of your choice. Do I even bother reading the rest of it? This is so stupid.
No.
You will no longer require sleep. Oh. And your body will become resistant to most forms of disease. Okay, why? What if we're talking like unlimited skills? Like why not just fully resistant to all forms of disease? That's dumb. Gun of Wrath? I'm pretty sure that's just called a gun. Oh wait, hold on. This pistol will never miss its target so long as that person is within view of the shooter. The magazine will always be... This is so stupid. Anyone who looks at you will see you as someone completely different than your actual appearance? This is
Like, so you can't get caught.
This is so stupid.
Yeah, I know.
They could just say you'll never get caught or charged or anything if you shoot someone with this gun. But instead, it's like all these contingencies of like things working. Alright, and the Locket of Lust, wearing this locket or having it on your person will cause members of the upper sex to desire you sexually. So this is literally just like, if you want to rape, if you want to rape people, you pick the Locket
legally.
of Lust. Yeah.
Anyways, what's your choice?
Well, okay. First answer is that probably selling soul in terms of like actual, like a Christian like mythology, probably not good. So I'd probably do none of these. My life's pretty good without them. But I think the Wallet of Greed would be super nice, but like I already make money, and I think the Ring of Pride would be a lot more like useful, you know? Like $1,000 a day is like a lot, but then you have to like deposit it in the bank every day, or you don't have to, I guess, but like probably should. But like the Ring of Pride, you could like get a lot out of that. You could like learn every language you wanted. That'd be nice. Probably that one, to be honest.
Okay.
What about you?
Money.
Money? Yeah. I just like the Gun of Wrath. It's just a gun.
Can you see the other thing that I sent you?
Yeah. What the hell? God, white people are crazy.
By the way, she's taxidermy, so please don't break my home.
What the fuck? That's so weird. Anyway, on that note, I think I'm gonna end the stream here so I can have time to get on the road.
No, wait a little longer, and then when you get on the road,
All right, bye guys.